You've learned sine and cosine, but did you know they follow a special rule that works for every angle? Let's discover the Pythagorean identity. In a right triangle, Pythagoras says opposite squared plus adjacent squared equals hypotenuse squared. When hypotenuse is 1, we get sin²x plus cos² equals 1. This is the Pythagorean identity. No matter what angle x is, 30 degrees, 60, or 90, this equation is always true. It's our most important trig identity. From this one identity we can make others. Rearrange it to get sin² alone or cos² alone. There's also a tangent version we'll see later. Example 1. If sine of x equals 3/5, find cosine of x. Start with our identity. sin²x plus cos² equals 1. Substitute. 3/5 squared is 9/25. So cos²x equals 16/25. Take the square root. Cosine x equals 4/5. Done. Example 2. Prove this identity. Start with the left side. Expand the bracket. Sine plus cosine all squared becomes sin² plus 2. Sine cosine plus cosine squared. Group sin² and cosine². They equal 1 by our identity. So we get 1 plus 2 sine cosine. That's the right side. Proof complete. Common exam mistake. Students write sin² plus cos² equals 2. Wrong. It always equals 1, not 2. Don't confuse this with other formulas. Remember, sin² plus cosine² equals 1 always. Memory trick. Sin², cosine², 1 is assured. Write this identity first in trig proofs. It's your best friend. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more trigonometry problems. Keep learning.